Hi, here we meet again. Welcome to my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai. For today, I would like to share with you a recipe, a very simple recipe which we use banana. Banana, we can share a lot of recipes using banana, but today I'm going to share with you a recipe which is called banana pancake. This is very popular for breakfast and also for tea. So let's see the ingredients. Ripe banana, flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, oil, water. First, we need to mash the bananas. Normally, if you use any fruits in your recipe, if you want to get it a bit lighter, the fruits, you can always add in the sodium bicarbonate or baking powder. For today, I'm using baking powder. So you mix this together first. Okay, this will give a reaction and it will soften your fruits. Now I'm going to add in the sugar. And also salt, a pinch of salt, not too much. You see, when you add in the baking powder, your banana becomes runny like this. And now I'm going to add in the flour. You can add in bit by bit like this. And you can also add in 1 tablespoon of oil, or you can melt a butter or margarine into this dough. Normally, the mixture you should rest for 15 minutes before you start frying. Okay, now if you wish to apply some oil or butter, you can do so, but if you don't want, you can just spread the batter here. Approximately about 1 ladle like this. And we leave it to cook. You can drizzle some oil if you wish. Once it's cooked and it's golden brown, and you can transfer this on a plate. And you can proceed with another one. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to overturn this. Okay. Here is my version of banana pancake, and normally we serve this in our country with sambal or even grated coconut, which we add a bit of salt inside. So it's very delicious, very filling and very yummy. And for those who wish to try, please don't forget to subscribe, share and like my YouTube channel Cooking with Lady Zai, and press the bell button.